Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies flat and chewy. Begin by softening butter until it yields to a finger, then measure flour precisely to avoid dense dough. Chill briefly if dough is too sticky, or skip chill to encourage spread. Lower oven temperature slightly and bake on a warm sheet for even, gradual spreading and a chewy center. Rotate the pan mid-bake for consistent color and texture. To create a chewy texture, swap some white sugar for brown sugar to add moisture and flavor. Include 1 extra egg yolk to boost tenderness without making cookies cakey. Avoid overbaking by pulling cookies when centers still look slightly soft. Residual heat finishes them. Use a higher moisture fat like melted butter or a blend of butter and oil for a flexible crumb that stays chewy long after cooling. When cookies misbehave, small fixes make big differences. Add a tablespoon of flour per cup if dough is too loose, and press dough balls gently to flatten puffy cookies. Move the rack lower or drop oven heat slightly if edges brown too fast while centers stay pale. Consider using a silicone mat or parchment for even heat and consistent spread, and avoid overcrowding the pan for predictable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.